frustration with remote controls, not exactly uncommon. Barnabas Helmy has this to say about the remote.
Old-fashioned. I mean, it's a technology that's kind of dated.
He believes this is the future.
You've got this amazing computer in your pocket that can do everything.
So Helmy set out to build a new bridge to the future, taking the average person a step closer to smart homes.
My future vision is to bring the smart home to people who aren't necessarily ready for it or can afford it.
He says it's about starting small, this size to be exact. It's called PUCK.
The PUCK connects to the phone via Bluetooth, low energy, and it just takes a signal and translates that to infrared. So, the business end of the PUCK is an infrared emitter, just like on a remote. You place it near the device you want to control. You can put them on as many devices as you want, and you download our free app. The app itself does all the hard work.
PUCK is a smart universal remote control. It's for anything that uses an infrared remote, from your televisions to your fireplace, even something small like a fan. His inspiration, her name? Bijou Rose.
My daughter, when she was about 2.5, 3, she was teething, and she constantly would chew on the Apple TV remote and break it. Rather than keep buying more Apple TV remotes, which were like $90 at the time, I just started tinkering and trying to figure out a solution.
Having a background in computer science and electrical engineering, he said he got to work in his basement alongside his little inspiration, developing this wireless infrared bridge, and in time, problem solved.
I was really drawn to the name Puck, not because of the shape, but because of the character from Midsummer Night's Dream, how he was kind of a disruptor in that play. So that I figured, if we're going to be doing something against the big dogs as a startup, Puck was a great name to use for that. And that's really where the entrepreneurial spirit comes in, because just coming up with an idea is one thing, but getting it to market is a huge endeavor.
Part of that is the patent process.
Several claims, there are about 7 total. The overarching is it's a wireless Bluetooth to infrared network.
PUCK turned into a winning idea. In 2015, the nonprofit Arch Grants awarded Helmy's startup company from Springfield, Illinois, $50,000 to grow his company in St. Louis. Having success, he rolled out the new and improved PUCK 2 with 10 times the range, better battery, and more. PUCK is not just for homes, it's also for businesses or sports bars with a room full of screens and a room full of remotes. Instead of all of these, they can control the TVs using their phone. Helmy discovered another placement for PUCK for people who need help. He's now working with a hospital in Atlanta to develop PUCKmed, and he's using this video to let people know.
That can be voice controlled with the PUCK remote app.
Okay, Google.
For those with severe disabilities, Helmy says PUCK can be connected to technology that allows them to control their environment with their eyes and mouth. He calls it the power of PUCK. So whether it's having 1 PUCK, 2 PUCKs, 4, or more, Helmy believes PUCK can help people improve and simplify their lives.